Hello watcher and subscribers. In the last tutorial we had gone through the importance of list. Now here we go for the tuples and the sets. So tuples and set, they are near about same like list, but some difference are there. So here list is a mutable but tuple is a immutable. So as you understood in the last class, by using list we can have more number of storage and we can have the different kinds of the values also. So here we will see the tuple which is near about same as a list. For example, we had created list in the last class, like for that we were using this bracket, and suppose we are adding the elements like 1 2 3. So our list will be like that. Okay, so same way you can use the tuple, but here the point is list is mutable, means the list value you can change like that. Suppose if I use list of 1th element should be 5 in place of 2, then our list will be 1 5 and 3 because I return first element. As you know, it start with 0. This is 0th element, this is first, means you can say second element. So that in place of 2, suppose I want 5, so you can do like that. So it is changeable. Changeable means mutable, and immutable means it cannot be changed. So tuple is a immutable. So now here I create a tuple, so t equal to, and now here we cannot use this bracket because it's a indication of list, so we need here other bracket like this. And suppose here I am adding element 1 4 and 2, these are the element. So you observe here it will print this element in a round bracket. So in this way you can use a tuple. Now here the question comes in your mind, I am adding only one type of element, so can we have the string also? That also we will see here. So t equal to, in the round bracket my elements are 1 4. So here next element is 4.3, and then this element I am adding. So once I press enter key, it is accepting, and you see here it is showing the all kinds of values. So there is no confusion about this, but it is immutable, means you cannot change the value. Suppose I want to change t of 1 should be 5. So you see error is coming. So it is immutable, you cannot change the value. So now you got the difference between list and tuple. So list means the whatever the values are there that you can change later on, but tuple we cannot change the value. So now we see the next point, that is the set. So set is also like list and tuple for storing the more values, but it is unorder. Okay, unorder means suppose here now I am creating set. So one thing is sure, you cannot use the bracket like square bracket, you cannot use round bracket because it is already assigned for the list and tuple. So we need different bracket, like in mathematics we use that bracket. So that bracket we need curly bracket, and it is unorder, means 1 4 2. Suppose 3 element I am adding. So you see now it is totally unorder, means the order will be changed. So here in the list and tuple, whatever the elements are there, they are in order list. Order means suppose in tuple we had added 1 4 and 2, so it is coming exactly in same order, but here 1 we have added 1 4 2, but the order got changed. So that is what you can say, it is unorder, and it will show in a random order, any order. Here you see it is in increasing order, but every time it will not be in increasing order, it will be in any order. Suppose again I am adding some element like 1 2 and 3, sorry, here 4 1 2 4, I am repeating 4 again I am repeating 4, and next element is 77 and 44. So I have added more number of element. Now I am just checking output. You see 1 2 4 44 77, but every time you will not get in a same order. Okay, it can be changed. You practice for the more number. And second point, you see 4 is for 3 times, but it is coming only once. So that the reason, that is the difference here. In the sets, the values should be unique. The repetition of value will not be there. So whenever you want the unique value, so in that case you have to refer the set. Okay. And next point here, it is mutable, means the values whatever are there, that can be changed. So for doing that, here once I press the dot, many methods are available here, that is add method. So by using this add method, we can add the values. So yes dot add, suppose I am adding the value 34. So you see here, so here I have added the 34, so it will be added in any position. Okay, it is not adding in the last. So that's why here I told you it is not showing in particular order, because it is 1 2 34 4. So you can add, means you can do the changes in the set. Okay, so that's why it is mutable and it is on order. So last thing we will do here, you have one confusion, I know, can we have the any kinds of value? So that we will see now. So here, as you know, we use curly brackets. So I am adding here 1, then I am adding 4.4, then my next value will be f, and now I am pressing and it is accepting all kinds of value. So now here it got clear for you how you can use the sets. So in set, suppose if you use the bracket, that thing we didn't do here, set of 1 equal to suppose 55th. So that thing will give you the error message in the set. Why it will give error message? Because it is on order. Okay, that's why you cannot use the statement like this. So if you want to change element, what you have to do, you have to simply use add method. So once again I do the short revision. So list is a mutable, means whatever the element you add, it can be changed. So for that you can use method also, or we use the statement like here. We use here L of 1 equal to 5. So by using this you can change the elements. So it is mutable. Tuple is a immutable, because we cannot change, because once we use T of 1 is 5, it was showing error. And about set, it is unordered, because it is not showing the result in a proper order, means it is in random order. But it is mutable by using add method, but we cannot use this statement that we were using in the list. So that is the short difference between list, tuple and set. Okay, so in what cases you will use list? Whenever you want to change the element later on, in that case you have to use list. And in tuple you want to make the whatever the values are there that you want to make fixed or constant, then you can refer tuple. And set, you can use it if you want the element in unorder way, and later on you want to change and you want the elements in a uniquely fashion, you don't want the repetition, then in that case you may refer the set. So I hope dear student, you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.